When I started working on the Foley assets, I recorded the footsteps, jumps, landings, and armor sounds in my kitchen. Once I created my recordings, I brought them into Pro Tools to edit and process my Foley sounds. For the footsteps, I added a 7-band EQ to cut out some of the high-end frequencies and boost some low-end. I also added a small reverb to each sound to give some life to it. For the grass footsteps, I started by tearing up a plastic bag to create the illusion of grass. I brought the sounds into Wwise and created random containers for each group of assets. In the Unreal Engine, I added the Foley sounds as AK events to specific animations. For each event, I layered an armor asset. For walk, run, and jump, I layered my light armor assets. For land, I layered the heavy armor assets. For each animation, I strategically timed each sound to the event taking place. After I implemented all the assets into the game, I went back into Wwise to properly mix them to my pre-existing sounds.